2019 Chevy Colorado drive belt replacement. It is the same procedure on the GMC Canyon. This particular vehicle is a 3.6 engine. We're going to start by removing our airbox. Loosen that bolt right there. It's a 8mm. Listen this one to say 8mm. And the throttle body bolt is 8mm. And we're gonna remove this 10mm, the 10mm down there. Let's take them off. There you go. Let's remove that one. And we're gonna remove this PCV hose. The idea is to push the white tab on the other side, push it. As you guys see here, I'm pushing it and pull the PCV hose out of the air intake. Push it out like this and you pull it out. Let's remove this hose there and our air intake tube. There you go. Let's remove our oil cap. Good. Let's take out the throttle body. And there is one more bolt on the passenger side. It is a 10mm. This one down there, let's remove it. There it is. Make sure you take a good picture at the drive belt before you remove it. So we're gonna use a 50mm to compress the tensioner to relieve the tension of the belt. You turn it counterclockwise that way and you take the belt out. There it is. Throw this belt in the trash. Now let's remove our tensioner assembly. It is held by two 13mm. Use this 13 here. There is one at the bottom of the tensioner. You guys probably can see it, but it is there. You'll feel it. Let's speed up the process. There you go. Here's our new tensioner. Let's tie the bolt with a final touch. Now we're gonna remove the idler pulley. It is a 15mm. Let's break the bolt free. Let's put our new idler pulley in. I'll post the link for those parts in the comment section below. Now let's put our belt in. Remember the orientation of it, and I'll post a picture of the belt winding. Now we're going to compress our tensioner assembly. Right, once again counterclockwise to relieve the pressure of the belt. And you're going to loop the belt over the water pump like this, and you will touch to make sure the belt is fully seated in the grooves on the AC compressor, the crankshaft, pulley, the alternator, and the water pump. And that's it, guys. Everything is fully seated. We're gonna put our airbox back in. Very easy process you can do in your driveway. And tie everything back up, guys. And that's it, guys. I'll have a footage of the vehicle running afterward. Thanks for watching.